Welcome everybody to one of the most anticipated cars of this year, the all-new Volvo XC40, and here are things you need to know about 2018's European Car of the Year. The all-new XC40 comes with the R-Design package as standard, which overall exudes a sportier look. The package includes a very distinctive R-Design grille, larger wheels, a blacked-out roof, and R-Design letterings at the back of the car. The XC40 is home to a 2-litre turbocharged Drive E engine that produces more than 250 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. Power is channeled to all 4 wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Despite weighing 1.7 tons, the XC40 can do 0 to 100 in a brisk 6.4 seconds, onward to a top speed of 230 km an hour. On the inside, R-Design items include an R-Design steering wheel, gear lever, sports pedals, floor mats, and of course, the R-Design sport seats. Being a Volvo, of course, there are a lot of typically Swedish innovations. Take the speakers by the door, for example. They've been completely removed, and Volvo has developed a world's first dashboard integrated subwoofer. And as a result, there is so much room by the door panels for all sorts of items, your bottles, your tablet, your books. There is also tons of space under the armrest, big enough for you to even put a tissue box. There's even a clever little dustbin, cleverly integrated under the armrest. More storage spaces are available under the driver's seat that's big enough for you to put your wallet, your tablet, and other little items. The all-new XC40 also comes with the IntelliSafe system similarly found in the XC90 and the XC60. This includes pilot assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot information system, cross-traffic alert with auto brake, and the city safety feature, which includes collision avoidance and mitigation with intersection support. The all-new XC40 is priced at 255,888 ringgit on the road without insurance. For more information on this all-new car, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.